Hey, it's Wednesday. How are you? I'm Andy Ross. I'm one of the pastors at Northminster Church, and thank you for clicking on this little video devotional. I'm going to try to make this brief. You're halfway through the week, and I hope this message is encouraging to you. I have this antique magnifying glass. I just love it. It really helps you see close up. And in our schedule of readings from the Gospel of John today, we are given close-up clues about understanding Jesus. In John chapter 1, there's these fascinating scenes of Jesus meeting his friends for the first time. And there's this guy named Andrew, a namesake of mine that I just love. These two disciples understand from John the Baptist that this one individual is the Lamb, the anointed of God. There he is. Wow. And so these two disciples, they draw close, they come up to Jesus. Jesus sees that they're following him and asks, well, what is it that you want? Now that's a spiritual question. They say, well, Rabbi, common name for teacher back then, where are you staying? And listen to how Jesus answers. Come on along, and you will see. Another great, interesting spiritual truth from Jesus. Come with him, and you will see. You'll see more clearly. So they come along, they spent the day with Jesus. And then Andrew, Simon Peter's brother, was one of those two who heard what John said and followed Jesus. The first thing Andrew did was to find his brother and brother Simon and tell him, we have found the Messiah, the Christ. And he brought him to Jesus. And Simon Peter would become one of the leaders of the disciples and the church. Come and you will see. God connects us with him and salvation through individuals like Andrew, like Simon Peter, like you. I want to encourage you, friends, on this beautiful Wednesday to make those human connections of faith and hope and healing, keep them vital in your life through your prayers. You don't need a magnifying glass to see. You need the Spirit of Jesus prompting you, leading you to invite someone you know. Come and see. Why don't you join us in worship this weekend? Why don't you come and visit at our little Bible study group? Would you like to join my prayer group? We just, we have breakfast, we catch up with one another, and we close with prayer. We'd love to have you join us. Come and see. I want to encourage you this Wednesday to be praying for those God has put in your life. At Northminster, we call it our reach list. Who are those people in your life that God wants you reaching for, investing in, caring for, and also inviting them to experience and know this Jesus? Reach out. Happy Wednesday. May the Lord bless you and prompt you.